In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL Charge 5 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speakers on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is extremely simple. You will be able to connect them over Bluetooth and you will listen to all of the audio coming through the device on the JBL speakers. So all that you have to do is put it in pairing mode and connect it over Bluetooth. So first, make sure that Bluetooth capabilities are enabled on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and you will have to pair it up. So you can go over to Settings, Bluetooth devices, look for devices, and there you will find your JBL speakers. To put them in pairing mode, just press and hold the Bluetooth button until the specific LED indicator starts flashing. Once the LED is flashing, it indicates that the speaker is now in pairing mode. So when you go inside of the settings, Bluetooth on the devices on your PlayStation 4, you will be able to select the speaker which is now in pairing mode. Once you choose it from the list, it is going to be connected to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. You should listen to all of the audio coming through the monitor or TV, and it is going to go over to the speaker. This is going to work for audio, game inside of games, audio and voice chats, and so on. And all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and when you connect it over Bluetooth, you will be good to go. You can do this on both the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. If it doesn't work right away, there are some things that you can try. First, restart the console and then turn off and then back on for the JBL speaker. After restarting both, see if it works. If it still does not work, make sure that they are in close proximity and double check to see if the JBL speaker is not connecting to something else. If there are other devices with Bluetooth enabled like a PC, laptop, or phone, the JBL speakers might be connecting into them instead, so you have to make sure that they are choosing to connect with the TV and not anything else. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Charge 5 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.